Greetings to you all. I am Jeremiah Burroughs, a servant and reformed minister of Christ from the 17th century. I had the honor of participating in the distinguished assembly at Westminster, a gathering convened with the noble objective of establishing biblical doctrine and guiding worship practices in our nation. Today, I bring joyful news that Puritan Publications has undertaken the historic task of republishing my writings, presenting them in a more contemporary format for readers just like you in your day and age. Among the works they have gently edited is a wonderful book titled The Saints' Inheritance and the Worldling's Portion. This work concerns the men of the world, in contrast to God's people in the covenant of grace. Worldly men mind earthly things which are temporary. This is their portion and ultimately their demise. The people of God have their inheritance in Jesus Christ, which is presently sealed by the Spirit while they live on earth, but given in its fullness in heaven. I biblically and practically explain Psalm 17 verse 14 on the worldling's portion, from men of the world who have their portion in this life, and from Psalm 16 verse 3 for the saints' inheritance, but to the saints that are in the earth, and to the excellent men in whom is all my delight. This work is now available at Puritan Publications in both digital and printed formats. I encourage you to secure your copy through their website. Take some time to embark on an enlightening exploration of differences between the saved and the lost, the saint and the worldling. If I might ask, which are you? I give you a solemn warning that there are many hypocrites in the church. There were in my day, and they are there in your day as well. They are self-deceived, having earthly-minded thoughts of the Christian life, rather than thoughts about the work which Jesus has accomplished for their inheritance in holiness. Holiness leads to happiness. Christians must keep their eye on the treasure of God in heaven, rather than the fleeting lusts that men are drawn into here on earth. They must be heavenly minded, not worldly minded. May your pursuit of King Jesus and the treasures of holiness in heavenly bliss be ever growing in you and bring immeasurable blessings to your life. Amen.